Hi, I'm Riley Dana, attorney and founder of Mott Legal. Thanks for tuning in. So, my day job, I'm an attorney by day. I practice probate and estate planning out of Arizona. I'm also licensed in California and Nevada, although I'm inactive in Nevada. So today I'm coming to you from the Mott Legal channels. So what is Mott Legal? Mott Legal is something that I wish existed, so I'm creating it. What I wish existed that didn't is a practice management company for lawyers, a turnkey system that can help you be a lawyer, do what you're good at, work in your best value add, which is practicing law, and let someone else worry about the business stuff, how to run the business. So the goal of Mott Legal is to change the world. It's to elevate the world by improving the legal process, improving how legal services are delivered. That's to consumers, making a better experience for the consumers, making it easier for them to access legal help through attorneys, and then also improving the practice of law for attorneys and for people that work inside of law firms. So this is my passion. This is something exciting to me. It gets me out of bed in the morning to improve the legal practice. Now, I went to law school because I felt that there was so much room to improve this industry. I love practicing law. I love helping people. But more than that, I enjoy the business of practicing law. Now, by helping empower other attorneys, we can help more people that way. So that's why I'm going live today right now. I'm committed to every Saturday. For now, that's what I'm doing for now. If there's a better day that works for people to tune in, great. But for now, it's going to be Saturdays. So I'm committed to creating this space, holding a space where we can have a conversation. And until other people join me, I'll just be talking to myself. But let me know what you'd like to hear about. So the things I can tell you about, I can tell you a little bit more about our membership program today, right now, what we're offering for attorneys in the Mott Legal membership program. What it is it's a way for attorneys to utilize some of the things that I've built over time. So with all the struggles and being a part of different law firms, everything I've learned along the way is what's developed my current processes. So I've pulled those processes out of Dana and Associates, my estate planning practice, into Mott Legal. So that's everything from the personal family legal session, which is what we call the first meeting with an estate planning client, to all the forms that you get. So the first meeting, we have a whole map, a whole flow of how the meeting processes go. We've developed this through years. It's crazy that I can now say I've been an attorney for over 10 years. It's wild. I've been in the legal industry even longer than that, if you count my days working as a law clerk during college. So with all that experience, I've been approving the process all along the way. What's really exciting now is I'm now a remote online notary. So it is now possible to complete quality estate plans, professional estate plans from home. So guys, if you're not excited about this, get excited. You can be anywhere and help your clients. That's what I'm excited about. So I'm already thinking of different places I want to go, plug in for a while, just bring a webcam, an extra monitor, and my computer, and I got my studio, which allows you to meet with clients. So Mott Legal is offering those things to attorneys, the ability to meet clients virtually. So our processes, from the initial meeting, we have the tools that you can use online with clients, tools that you can use on a screen share, a PowerPoint that shows like most of the topics that come up in those first meetings, anything from what is an estate to what's fiduciary duty, to how a trust works, how a trust avoids probate, a trust for a married couple, which we call continuation trust. And the videos I just added the other day is an explanation of the dynasty trust, the generation skipping trust that we do to give creditor protection and asset protection to the beneficiaries that receive those funds. So Attorneys. So I'm speaking to you. If you're an attorney, if you're an estate planning attorney that wants to improve your practice, reach out. The mentorship program or the membership program will be right for you. If you're an attorney that's thinking about getting into estate planning, reach out to us. We can help you get started with an estate planning practice. The other group I want to speak to is you're an attorney. Maybe you don't know you want to be an estate planning attorney yet. Maybe you're working in a different area that you hate. You're looking for something else to get into. Estate planning is a great practice area. I really enjoy it. Number one, you're helping people. You get to meet all types of great people. You get to be creative, help them solve their problems in the most efficient way. So I find that very enjoyable. And then there's also a great demand for it. If you look at the mortality rate, it's 100%. We're all going to die. No one's making it out alive. So everyone's going to die. And if people that have assets, they're going to need help transferring these assets from one generation to the next. So there's a great demand for estate planning. I have a friend out of our San Diego office. She uses the same office space, and she's an attorney, and she's trying to help business owners, and she's just started a practice on her own and struggling to get good clients that are able to pay her. And what I jokingly tell her every time is that the mortality rate is 100%, and I think she should be an estate planner. I tell that to a lot of people, attorneys that are in practice areas that they complain about, make a change. Now is a great time. If you're in an area you don't like, it's a great time to make a change, and we can help you. We can provide all the tools that you need to be able to meet with clients and create comprehensive plans for them. Okay, so what are we offering? What's included in the membership program? Number one is mentorship. We'll guide you. We'll help you set up your firm, or if you already have an existing firm, we'll help you improve it so you can adapt the Malt legal processes. Now, one of the things we're going to give you is we're going to give you the tools to be the best attorney in your area. We're going to give you the tools where you can give some differences. If people are shopping for attorneys, you're going to stand out. Here's how you're going to stand out. Number one, you're going to have the Mott 3-step digital asset planning process. So this gives people a way to plan for information that they store electronically, so things like emails, and also provides for photos and videos that are stored on phones and in the computer. And then we provide a way to store all the documents electronically. So that's the 3-part digital asset planning process that all Mott legal attorneys get to use. So that's one way to distinguish, and then also the tools to do everything virtually as well. If you're this is it's not the way of the future, guys. The virtual meetings, it's the present. This is now. People are asking for this now. There's a demand now, and it's not going to be going away. So if this is something interesting to you, the membership program, send an email to Christine. The email is below on the screen, christine@mottlegal.com. Let her know what market you're in. Right now, we're looking for attorneys in Arizona and California. We currently have documents ready for Arizona and California since I practice in both of those states. We have a software that's coming soon. So currently, we're accepting members right now into the Mott Legal program. The way it will work now is that we'll be drafting all the documents for them. So the attorney gets all the tools. They basically become like an associate attorney from my law firm, where they have they get to use the back offices of the paralegals and everyone to draft and create the documents, and allows the attorney to just meet with the clients, design plans. Mott Legal will draft all the documents and then give them back to the attorney, who will get the documents signed with the clients and manage the relationship with the client. So a great way to empower attorneys. If you're looking for a new practice area, if you're already doing estate planning and want to improve your business, reach out to us. Love to hear from you. Now, if you're watching this today, I'll be here. I'll be streaming more often. Let me know what other topics you'd like to hear about. Let me know how we can help you in your business, in your industry. So upcoming topics that I'd like to talk about is the remote online notarization. I just got approved to do that. So I'm I want to know who else is doing that. What other attorneys are using this, or other professionals are using this process? Let's talk about that, and then talk about other things that you guys are doing to help your clients in these times. Thanks for tuning in.